What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Bear with me, it is super early in the morning, but we're actually headed over to a car show right now down in San Clemente, which is about an hour from here. Sorry, it's super bright, my sunglasses are in the car. Got the whips. Taking the Z today because we took the Miata all the way down to San Diego yesterday, which is pretty awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let's do this. Alright, you guys. It's time to do it. Alright guys, so normally we would take the freeway to get here, but we're going to take the Ortegas today. And if you're familiar with Southern California, Ortega Highway is basically a super windy road up here in this mountain. So I'm pretty excited. It's going to be pretty awesome. Look at this. Got the navigation up and going right now, but like if we go to the end of this road, look at how windy it gets. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. And then we get to a car show, so I'm stoked. Check out this windy road. We got obviously stuck behind some insane traffic, but you know, they're actually moving pretty quickly. They're moving pretty quickly. Pretty awesome. Look how high we are. Insane. Well, we'll be there soon. Oh, it's bright. Alright guys, we just got to the canyon. We're pulling up. We just got into San Clemente actually. Navigation says 9 minutes out, and hopefully the brand new Maserati MC20 is supposed to be there today. It's supposed to be like the first one on the West Coast or something like that. If so, I'm literally stoked to see this car because I feel like it's supposed to, I believe it's gonna bring Maserati back from where they're at right now. You know, I feel like Maserati has so much potential and they're such an amazing brand and they make such amazing cars. I mean, this car is gonna be awesome to see. It's got a brand new, like, dedicated built engine from Maserati just for this specific vehicle. So I'm super excited to see what it looks like. Oh dang, I see the ocean out there. You guys, if you just navigate to the San Clemente outlets, it doesn't take you to the right spot. So go on the Instagram page and find the correct address. We're almost there. Oh my God. Oh, tunnel. This is what we got. There's the ocean. I love San Clemente, you guys. It's so nice out here. We made it. We're gonna jump out here. We're in the overflow lot right now just because there's so many people here right now. Parked. All right guys, so the show ends in like 45 minutes, so we're gonna go walk around and see what's left. Let's do it. Matching. We're here. There's a whole bunch of cars. I guess we'll start on this side and make our way. Can't go wrong with the 240. What do you guys think? Does it resemble the new Project Z? I think they look pretty similar actually. I'm excited. Alright guys, we found it. Brand new Maserati.
I mean, I think it looks nice. I still rather have it. Even if I wasn't. Just not good.
Saw a few Supras over here, so gotta check them out. Okay. Guys, I just talked to the owner of that Ford GT. One of one paint color, that it was very expensive. I'm sure that's true. Thought we were right here. Oh, nope, next row, next row. What did my dad say the other day? The best car they don't have. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with me. I never feel like my car is like good enough to drive into the car show, but compared to what I saw over there today, this thing would be more than cool enough. What an insane car show, you guys. So I actually talked to the guy that owns that Ford GT, the pearlescent one. He said that's a one-of-one car. They actually contacted Ford and he wanted a color shifting paint, and Ford was the first ever car company to ever make a color shifting paint, and it was that color specifically. I think it was in the 90s, and it basically shifts from like purple to like bluish to like green, basically. Probably like $40,000 extra. They put that paint job on it, and he paid $600,000 for the car, and well over $1 million now. He said it's his very favorite car in his collection, and he says he has a few other cars, but he wouldn't tell me what they were. He said he's owned it for just over a year now, but he was saying from the moment he first heard of the car to the moment he was collecting it, took 3 whole years, which is pretty insane. So I couldn't imagine paying all of that money and then still having to wait like 3 whole years for the car to even show up. Like, I know it's worth the wait because that car is amazing. It's one of one. Like, there's nothing else like it in the whole entire world. But 3 years, I'm gonna get some food. I'm starving. The car show's basically ended. It's 11 o'clock right now. I was thinking Chick-fil-A. It's actually on the way home, so maybe we'll stop there. Or maybe Cane's. I'm not sure. So we'll find a spot. We'll find a spot. We didn't walk over to it, but I don't know if you could barely see. They have a Christmas tree over there that's massive. So we pretty much made it down the hill. It's pretty awesome. This road is pretty insane. If you guys want to have like a meetup and then a cruise or something, I'm totally down. We could rip these canyons. I would suggest we leave at like 6:30 a.m. just so there's no traffic, because I mean there's no turnouts, so you're literally stuck behind every car that you get literally stuck behind. Like, there's no getting past them, really. This car show is every Saturday morning, so if you guys want to do this next week, let me know down in the comments and we can meet up somewhere and like... Alright guys, we just got back. Parked it up here by Best Buy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That car show is always insane. I've only actually been twice, and I would love to go next week. If you guys want to go ahead and drop a comment down below, and we can find a meetup spot in the morning. Also, drop a comment about what your favorite car was. Personally, the Ford GT was insane. I mean, the paint job on that car was probably $50,000 alone, which is crazy. You could buy like 10 of these things, like no joke. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Go ahead and drop a thumbs up, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so you don't miss any more of my future videos. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Clean.